Okay. Okay, we cannot simply subtract this fraction or this subtrahend from a whole number. We need to make this whole number. Yes, Miel, go.
Sure, you're going to make it a fraction by borrowing to the whole number 5.
Okay, very good. We need to borrow a whole from the whole number 5. A whole. That means 5 here becomes 4 na lang. Okay? And then, what's a whole ng number? By simply copying the denominator. What's the denominator? It's 7, right? 7 ang denominator. So, yung one whole ng a number is by copying the denominator of the other fraction. So, it becomes 7 over 7, right? Para maging one whole, tama, we simply copy the denominator of the other fraction. Okay po. Now, let's write 7 over 7 here. And copy 6 over 7. Can you follow, class, to the others who get confused kung paano po ang paglagay nito to the others? Okay? We cannot subtract po kasi 6 over 7 from a whole number. Ito, yung 5. We need to produce a fraction na katulad nito, 7 over 7. Kinapi lang po natin yung denominator sa kabila. Okay? So, pag pinagsama natin yung 4 and 7 over 7, it becomes 5. So, pag pinagsama natin yan, ganun din po yun. 5 din yan. So, 5 and 4 over 7 are equal. Okay? Now, we can now subtract. Pwede na pa tayo mag-subtract. Okay? Let's copy na the whole number 4 and then subtract the fraction. So, 7 over 7 minus 6 over 7, it's 1 over 7. There. Para lang tayo nagbaborrow on your grade school, di ba? You cannot simply subtract bigger numbers sa ating subtrahin. Kailangan malaki yung minuend, right? Kailangan palaging malaki yung minuend for you to subtract. Okay? Now, what if the given is like this? Oh, this one is easier lang. Oh. No need to have yung fraction ng subtrahin natin, which is 2. Okay? Just subtract na right away the whole number. Kasi bigger naman yung ating minuend. Ito, bigger naman yung ating minuend. Okay? So, 4 minus 2, it's 2. And then copy 6 over 7. Another subtraction problem. 1 and 1/2 minus 5 over 8. Again, in subtraction and addition, you need to find the LCM first. LCM or LCD first. Kapag magkaiba po ang fractions, we need to get the LCM or LCD first. Pag magkaiba. If the given is in dissimilar fractions. We need to get the LCM or LCD first. Now, what's the LCM of 2 and 8? It's 8, correct. Yeah, it's 8. So, let's write 8 there. Okay. 8 divided by 2, it's 4 times 1, 4. Same lang din po ito, 8 kasi 8 lang din. So, copy na lang. So, if you want to, pwede din. So, 8 divided by 8 times 5. So, 5. Ganun lang din. Copy kasi parehas. Now, can we subtract 5 from 4? Can we subtract 5 from 4? We cannot subtract. We cannot subtract. We need to make 4 higher than our subtrahend. Yes, Miel. What are we going to do next?
Sure, borrow again from the whole number. Sure, then
Oh.
add the denominator to the numerator. Sure, to stay yung denominator.
Okay, very good. Well said. So let's borrow this one whole here. Yung 1. Yung 1 whole po becomes 8 over 8. Right? Kinakopy lagi yung denominator. And then we need to add. We need to add this 2. So 8 plus 4 becomes 12 over 8. We need to get a whole so that yung fraction na maliit will become bigger. Oh, now, can we now subtract yung 5 from 12? Yes po, pwede na tayong mag-subtract. Okay, again, itong 1 dito, binarrow natin. Kailangan natin ng 1 whole by getting the denominator. Okay, by copying the denominator 8. Okay. Let's subtract 12 minus 5, it's 7. Copy the denominator, 8. Another subtraction fraction example. Isa pa po. Before we proceed to multiplication. 4 and 2/15 minus 2 and 11 over 45. We need to get the LCM first. Again, LCM po tayo palagi kapag dissimilar ang fractions. Let's see na. Oh. The LCM of 15 and 45 is 45. 45. Now let's divide. 45 divided by 15, we have 3 times 2 is 6. Now yung kabila, let's just copy, pero pwede rin 45 divided by 45, it's 1 times 11, 11. Yeah. Again, can we subtract 11 from 6? We cannot subtract. We need to make 6 higher. Okay? By adding 6 from 45. And then paliliitin natin. 4 now becomes 3. And then add. Para mas madali. Paliliitin natin yung number. Yung 4 becomes 3 na lang. And then let's add. 6 plus 45. It's 51. 45. I think we had this problem sa test, right? We had this. We had the same. Let's subtract na. 3 minus 2, it's 1. 51 minus 11, we have 40. Copy the denominator, 45. Equals. Let's simplify. Kasi we can simplify 40 and 45 by dividing both by 5. Right? 40 divided by 5, we have 8. And 45 divided by 5 again, it's 9. Therefore, 1 and 8/9 is the correct answer for this one. Sige po, please copy. May I just ask, is Kian present on your previous classes? Is Kian present? Kian Andrada?
Yeah, sure, in some class.
Oh, in some, not all of the subjects. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, sige po, you may copy. Please do copy. Sayang yung points. Oh. And then, let's go back na for the part 2. Kasi mag-end na rin in 4 minutes. Pero for the others, please, copy. Please copy. Okay na po, na-copy na. I'll stop the sharing na. Okay, and end the meeting. Please go back again, ha? Oops.